I tried using phone because I want us to take an online form build that has to deal with the phone application. But let's just take the basics today. So tomorrow we are going to be taking that. So we want to be looking at the second module, which is online form builders and uses. Now we say online form builder is an application that creates customizable job specific forms for unit needs, and they are used for lead generation. Now let me say this. Now online form builders, I think, online form builders, for the field training we've taken what online form builders are, and we've taken a part which is Google Form, and we did the practical training. So now I'm going to now tomorrow we'll be looking at another form builder that can actually use your phone to build. And that was why actually switched to phone, because I actually want us to see a kind of online form builder. It's an application that we can use our phone to build. So I'm going to be, I said after each session, after each class rather, there will be assignments. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
All right. So I said there will be assignments because I want the training. It's a practical training, and I want everybody to get this training. It's a practical training. So everybody is going to I'm going to give you an assignment at the end of the training, at the end of this training today. So we are almost going to the end of this training for today. So we're going to continue tomorrow, but we're not done yet. But let's just take the online form builders. Now, we want to look at now. I said online form builders is an application that creates customizable job specific forms for unit needs and used for lead generation. Now, online form builder, they are used to collect leads. They used to collect information just for like everybody. I know we all fill forms, so we fill forms online. Let's say, for example, job application form, maybe customer review form, maybe order form. So these online form builders, they are created to collect our information. So now, when you hear people say they want to generate lead, what it means is that they want to collect or they want to generate people's information. Do you understand? So a lead generation is a process of collecting information. So we have information like name, we have information like email, we have information like phone number, and we have information like address and gender. Are we together?
Yes.
Are we together? All right. So let's continue. So when you hear people say they want to generate lead, what they're trying to say is they want to collect people's information. So now we have various types of online form builders. So we have Typeform. We have Typeform. Typeform is an affordable choice for surveys and questionnaires. Typeform is mostly used for online surveys. If you want to be taking online surveys and questionnaires, now we have Samcat, we have Gravity Forms, we have Ninja Forms, we have QZZR, we have Wufu Forms, we have Jot Form, we have Paper Form, we have Google Forms. So Google Form is what can you see on the Google Form we have it is the free, flexible, and it is free and flexible. It's a form builder that's actually free and flexible. So unlike other forms, most of other forms are not free, but for Google Form is free and it is flexible to use. So it is flexible to use. So now we have form site, we have form get, we have form assembly, and we have HubSpot form. Now, all these forms, they have various functions. For example, we have Samcat. It is best for product or checkout forms. If you want to maybe do a kind of product, if you want to actually create a kind of form that has to do with products, so you're going to use Samcat. Now, all these forms, they are not free. So we need to actually understand that. So not every forms are free. So not all the forms are free. Now, I'm going to say this. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Now,
Well, yeah.
all right. I think you can see what I'm doing now. Online forms. Now, now we want to look. Now, I'm going to give you an assignment. Now, assignment number one. Assignment number one. I hope you can see my screen. Now, watch the video training on online online form building. sent to the training group and create a customer review form. A customer review form. Can you see this? I hope everyone can see this.
Yes.
All right, so you're going to now. I don't want us to go back to Google Form because we already have that's assignment number one. This is assignment number one. So you're going to watch. I'm going to send the video again to the group. So you're going to watch the video and you're going to create a customer review form, not a job application form. Are we together? So you're going to
Yes.
create a customer review form. And you're going to be sending it to me before the start of tomorrow's class. Now, assignment number two, you are going to download an application called Survey Art. So we're going to be looking at this application, Survey Art. So Survey Art is an online form builder as well. It's an online form builder. Are you all with me? And
Yes.
create
Yes.
and create a job application form with it. A job application form with it. So these will be our two assignments. So these are the two assignments. So these are the two assignments. So you're going to watch the video training on online form building, send to the training group, and create a customer review form. That's assignment number one. Then assignment number two, you're going to download an application called Survey Art. Now, Survey Art is another form builder. Are we together? That can enable you to create a form. So you're going to create a job application form with it, and you're going to send the form link to the group before tomorrow's class. Now, get this. Now, I explained everything you need to do before you before you can actually create a form. For example, if it's a job application form, you need to have a form draft. For example, what should be in the form draft? For example, okay, what do I want to collect from people? Maybe people's name, people's email, people's address. Do you understand? Their phone numbers, maybe their certificates. Do you understand? So you need to actually draft your form before you start building your form. Are we together?
Yes.
All right. So this we're going to stop. So I won't load you too much. So we're going to stop here. We're going to stop here today. We're going to stop here today. So we're going to continue tomorrow from the Survey Art. But I want you to actually try to build a form with the Survey Art. The Survey Art is a form that you can actually find. Just go to Google Play Store, type Survey Art. Once you go to Google Play Store, just type Survey Art. So once you type Survey Art, you're going to get it downloaded to your phone. So you're going to try to build a form with Survey Art. So once it is built, you're going to send both link for the Google form. So you're going to send from with Google form. So are we together now?
Yes.
So please, if you don't understand, try to ask your questions because we are going to stop from here for today. We are going to stop here for today. So if you have a question, try to ask. Do you have any
Hello, sir.
question? Hello, yeah, ask your question.
I don't know if you can get. Yes, I do. I do have a question. The second class, like I didn't join early, so I don't know if you can get the video.
The
of
first
this,
class,
of the second class
or
that
this one?
started by. No. The one that started by, yes, by 5 p.m.
Okay, this is the second class though. This is second class.
The second class. I don't know if you can get the videos,
Yes,
so
no
I
problem.
could watch
I'm going
them
to
all over again. I didn't join
yes,
early.
I'm going to send all the video trainings to the group. Do you understand? Because I have it recorded, so I'm recording them as well.
Oh,
Do you understand? Trust me. After this training, you're going to,
yes.
you'll be happy you signed up for this training. Do you
All
understand?
right. Thank you.
So I'm going to send
Thanks. I've already
everything.
got it.
So do we have any other question? Do you have any other question? I'm waiting. Do you have any other
No.
question? All right. So
No.
all right. So if there is none, if there is none, so we're going to be ending the class here. So we're going to continue tomorrow from here. So I'm going to send the
Sorry, hello,
training
sir.
on. I can hear you. Go ahead with your question.
Okay, like the first assignment, like
Okay.
are we to go to Google to I don't can you quickly
Yes.
explain about the first assignment?
I'm going to send the video training for the first assignment to the group again. Do you
Okay,
understand? So the video training
okay,
has the site you are going to go to and the form creation process.
okay.
Do you understand? So after this class, I'm going to
Yeah.
send it to the group again. And I'm going to send all the video trainings to the group at night because I have to compile them.
Okay,
Do we
okay,
get that
Sorry.
now?
Sorry.
okay.
All
Thank
right.
you.
So I'm going to be ending the class now. So thank
All right.
you so much for attending, for joining this class. So we're going to decide on the time for tomorrow's class by tomorrow morning. So I'm going
Thank
to
you.
be
Sorry.
ending, I'm going to be ending the meeting now.
So tomorrow then. Thank you.
Yes.